How to fix PlayStation error code CE10825551. To fix the PlayStation error code, try rebuilding your console database in safe mode or simply perform a clean reinstallation of the crashing game. So to rebuild your console's database in safe mode, first of all, you have to turn off the PlayStation completely by holding down the front physical power button and wait until the power indicator light stops blinking entirely. Then press and hold the power button down. You will hear one initial beep. Continue holding it for about 7 seconds until you hear a second distinct beep and let it go. Plug your controller directly into the console using a high quality USB data cable, then press the center PS button. From there, navigate down to the option 6, which is Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Then proceed to select the Clear System Software Cache first and let the system reboot. Repeat the safe mode process and return to option 6 and select the Rebuild Database. The progress bar will load for a few minutes and your problem should be fixed. You can also simply perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the game and then going to the game library and re-download it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.